In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Blender in laptop or PC for free. Blender is a great 3D graphics software. To get started, open up a web browser of your choice and then search for Blender. And then click on blender.org and at the top, select Download. And of course, you can go through different features and other things and then go and press Download Blender. And wait for it to finish. And when it's finished, open up your files, go to Downloads, and double click on the installer. So we can then go through the setup wizard just like any other program and press install. And once it's completed, you can press finish. So to open the app, press search at the bottom and type in Blender. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.